Okay, well, we'll start here. My name is Arielle Hogan, and I'm delighted to be here on behalf of ARCA this morning to receive this award from MICA and tell you a little bit about our project, which is Advancing Microwave Activation for Mine Integrated Carbon Removal, which I admit doesn't roll off the tongue. Okay, so what is microwave activation? ARCA is a climate tech startup that was founded by geologists, industry geologists. And microwave activation is our patented technology that uses microwaves to supercharge mine waste for carbon capture directly on site. So there's 3 key milestones for this project. First, we'll be demonstrating a flow-through reactor prototype. Secondly, we'll be securing an industrial pilot. And thirdly, we'll be completing engineering integration studies. And the main deliverables for these milestones are a fully functional, continuous flow-through microwave activation reactor prototype, a TEA for industrial integration using data generated with that prototype, and a signed partnership agreement with a mining company. So this is a demonstration and scale-up project valued at about $1.7 million. The key investors or grantors, of course, are MICA, Northx Climate Tech, which was formerly CICE, and Natural Resources Canada. This project is on our technology's critical path to market, and so the role of funding here really helps us what we call in the startup world the valley of death. So it helps us bridge that transition between lab scale success and field or industrial deployment. And that's particularly important for Canadian innovators right now in the absence of SDTC. Beyond monetary support from MICA and the MICA network really signals mining industry confidence. So the impacts of this project, we by integrating carbon removal directly on site, we expect to disrupt industry, but not disrupt operations. And then the broader societal value is to contribute to climate goals, of course, providing clean tech and highly qualified jobs, and ultimately support a circular economy. Okay, so the immediate next steps are to finish hiring our staff for the project, begin our continuous flow-through testing, and then once we start generating some data with that testing, begin our industrial integration studies. Beyond the project, the kind of long-term goals are to become the global leader in mine-integrated carbon removal, expand our deployment across various countries and industries, and ultimately capture 10% of the global CDR market. Thank you. If you follow this QR code here, it'll bring you to our website where you can learn a little more. I'm happy to take any questions now, or that's my personal contact information, and you're more than welcome to reach out afterwards.